Izzy, can you give your baby cakes a kiss? Can you give your baby a kiss? Mwah. Aislinn. Aislinn.
Here's the baby. The baby says, "Doo, doo, doo, doo. I love my mama." Mwah! Mwah! Yeah. Oh. Where's the baby's? Where's Aislinn's belly button? I don't know about this. Her in bed showing off her belly button. Where's baby's belly button? Where's baby's belly button? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, there it is. Can you kiss a belly button? Never thought about that. You know, you can kiss your own belly button. Yeah. Would you like some blankies? I don't know what happened to your pillow.